from NCERT book, class 10th, chapter number 3, linear equation in two variable. In that, topic is elimination method. In that, we will do exercise 3.4. Yeah, 3.4. Question number 1. Written that solve the following pair of a linear equation by the elimination method and the substitution method. Now first we will solve all questions with elimination method. Let us solve the first one. In elimination method, first one is x plus y equal to 5, 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now one variable we have to make same and eliminating them. So this is equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, if we multiply the equation 1 by 3, okay, so variable y became same and we can cancel it. Let us see. First of all, we'll write multiplying equation 1 by 3. So what is our new equation? We have to multiply equation 1 by 3, whole equation. Okay, so therefore 3x plus 3y equal to 3 5s are 15. Our new equation is 3. Let the equation 3. Okay, we got the equation 3. Now adding 2 and 3. Let us see. Adding 3 and 2. Okay, first we will write this one. 3x plus 3y equal to 15, and second one we equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now we have to add here plus, so 3y minus 3y cancel. Okay, so 3 plus 2 is 5x equal to 15 plus 4 is 19. Therefore x equal to 19 upon 5. Got the value of x. Now this value of x we have to substitute in equation 1. So substitute x equal to 19 by 5 in equation 1. So what we will get? Equation 1 is x plus y equal to 5. So x plus y equal to 5. Value of x is 19 upon 5 plus y equal to 5. So y equal to 5 minus 19 upon 5. LCM here 1 we have to multiply with 5. So y equal to 25 minus 19 upon 5. So y equal to 25 minus 19 is 6 upon 5. Now third one, 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0 and 9x equal to 2x plus 5. Now first equation, here constant written in on the left side, we will write on right side. So 3x minus 5y equal to, here minus 4 will go on right side, that plus 4. So our equation 1 is this, and this one here 9x 2y it is there. Okay, 2y. Now this variable we have to write on left side. So 9x minus 2y equal to 7. So 2. We got the equation 1 and 2. Now what we have to do in elimination method? One variable we have to make the same. So with whom we have to multiply? Multiply equation 1 by 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 5. Here we are doing this y variable same. Okay, 5 2s are 10 and 5 2 5s are 10. Both same, 10 10 will come. Let us multiply. First of all, we'll multiply 1 by 2. So 2 3x minus 5y equal to 4. Whole equation we have to multiply. So 2 3s are 6x minus 5 2s are 10y equal to 4 2s are 8. Give them equation 3. Now second one we have to multiply with 5. So 5 we have multiplied. 5 into 9x minus 2y equal to 7. So 9 5s are 45. X minus 5 2s are 10y equal to 7 5s are 35. Give the equation 4. Now what we have to do? Subtracting 4 from 3. Okay, this we have to minus it here. So 6x minus 10y equal to 8. 45x minus 10y equal to 35. Now we have to minus it, so we'll change the sign. Minus become plus, and here plus become minus. Now this is cancel. Minus 10 and plus 10 cancel. Now 6 minus 45 is minus 39x equal to 8 minus 35 is minus 27. So x equal to minus 27 upon minus 39. Now 3 9s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. Minus also cancel. Therefore x equal to 9 upon 30. We got the answer of x. Now this value of x we have to substitute in equation 1. In this equation we have to substitute. Let us substitute. So putting value of x equal to 9 upon 13 in equation 1. What is our equation 1? 3x minus 5y equal to 7. Equal to 4. Okay. Now x is 3 into 9 upon 13 minus 5y equal to 4. We'll multiply 3 9s are 27 upon 13 minus 5y equal to 4. Minus 5y equal to 4 minus 27 upon 30. LCM. So minus 5y equal to 13. 13 into 4 is 52 minus 27 upon 30. So equal to 52 minus 27 is 25 upon 30. Therefore y equal to 25 upon 13 into minus 5. Now 5 1s are 5 5s are. Therefore y equal to minus 5 upon 30. So your answer value of y is y equal to minus 5 upon 13. Why minus? Because here minus is there. So minus 5 upon 13. Now fourth one question is x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. First of all we will solve this equation. Okay. Take out this denominator. Now if LCM is 2 and 3, LCM is 6. So 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. So we'll multiply 3x upon 6 plus 2 2s are 4y upon 6 is equal to minus 1. So 3x plus 4y equal to minus 1 into 6. So 3x plus 4y equal to minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. That's your first equation. Now see the second equation. That's also we have to solve it. So x minus y upon 3 equal to 3. So x minus y upon 3 equal to 3. So what we'll do here, 1 will LCM is 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 1. So x 3x minus y upon 3 equal to 3. That is 3x minus y equal to 3 into 3 is 9. So that's your second equation. Now what we have to do, first and second we got. Now one variable we have to make same. So let us multiply equation 2 by 4. Okay, by 4 we will multiply it. So y become 4y. We'll cancel it easily. Okay, so let us change it. So 4 multiplied by 3x minus 9 minus y equal to 9. So 4 3s are 12x minus 4y equal to 4 9s are 36. So this is your third equation. Now what we have to do? Adding 1 and 3. Adding 1 and 3. So what we will get? 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6 and 12x minus 4y equal to 36. Now this variable, one variable cancel. 12 plus 3 is 15x equal to minus 6 plus 36 is 30. So x equal to 30 upon 15. 5 3s are and 5 6s are. 3 1s are and 3 2s are. Therefore x equal to 2. Got the answer? Easy. Now we'll putting this equation in equation 1. X equal to 2 in equation 1. Substituting or putting x equal to 2 in equation 1. So our equation 1 is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. So x equal to 2. So add 3 into 2 plus 4y equal to minus 6. 3 2s are 6. 4 plus 4y equal to minus 6. 4y equal to minus 6 plus 6. So 4y, here minus 6 will be there. Okay. So 4y equal to minus 6 is minus 12. So y equal to minus 12 upon 4. So y equal to 4 1s are, 4 3s are. Answer is minus 3. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.